In this video, I'm going to show you why you have to install this Hallmark skill. This is really amazing. Like, as you can see, this is the website, the landing page that I built without the skill. Just like a normal website like you generate using AI, right? But after I using that skill, the Hallmark skill, the result is look like this. As you can see, it's just 100% different. Like, this is really cool. Then also there is a feature called, let me try to go back to the GitHub. So basically we can use the Hallmark skill to study any URL website that live. So I'm doing that for this linear application. Then as you can see, right? So basically the result is look like this. Amazing. Looks super clean, right? I love it. So definitely, I highly recommend you to just install this skill to create beautiful landing page or any application you want to build. If you take a look on the GitHub, there is an example in here that I'm using this Hallmark skill, and the result is just amazing. Let me try to open this one in here. For example, look at this one, right? It's just pretty cool, right? I love it. I love it. Like, let's try to click this cinder here. Look at that, guys, right? I think there's no reason you not install this skill. I mean, there's a free, and this is also pretty cool. The result, I love it. Look at this one here, right? Really nice. We are going to use OpenCode. This AI coding agent basically have a list of free AI model that we can use, so you can follow this tutorial for free. So first thing is basically I already installed the OpenCode. Pretty simple. You can just copy and paste this command right here. So the first thing is I'm going to create a landing page without the Hallmark skill, right? So I'm going to copy and paste this prompt in here. Pretty simple. Build a single page landing site for Romly, an app that plans a spontaneous weekend trip for your based on your budget and how many days off you have. We have this section hero and how it works and blah blah blah, right? This is basically just a plain HTML, CSS, then JavaScript only, no framework and etc., right? All right, so I hit enter. Let's take a look at the result. As you can see, it just immediately write the code without use any skill, right? As you can see, it create the HTML, then also create the CSS, right? Basically, I already installed a Go Live extension on my VS Code. You can just install it. So here I'm going to click that, Go Live. Then let's take a look at the result. Here we go, right? Just like a normal AI website, right? Just look like this. This is really similar like any AI that built the landing page. It should be look like this. But I believe this is also responsive. I believe 100%. Yeah, this is also responsive. So now let's try to install the skill. Basically, to install it, just pretty simple. Just copy this command right here, npx skill. All right, it's just using skills. Copy that, then paste it. I'm going to open another terminal here, then just paste that like this. Then anyway, I'm going to install this skill on this project because I'm not pretty sure if this works or not. This is my first try basically. If this skill look good, I'm going to install it as a globally. So because I'm using OpenCode, and OpenCode is basically universal AI agent, so you don't have to select anything, just hit enter. Then yes, I'm going to install that on this project only. Then yes. As you can see, it's basically will create this .agent folder, and inside that we have the Hallmark folder and also the file as well here. Cool. So now let's try to redesign, because as you can see here on the GitHub, basically we can run the Hallmark audit and then the target file, and then we can run the Hallmark redesign, then the target file. So we're going to try to running this one here. This is my next prompt, Hallmark redesign romly.html. My audience is young professional who want to travel more but had planning. Use case join the waitlist, and the tone is playful. Don't overwrite the original. Save the redesigned version as a romly redesign.html and also the CSS as well. So I'm going to copy all of that, then just running. So it's basically will create another file so we can compare, right? Then as you can see in here, it's using skill Hallmark. Then it should be read the HTML, then CSS. It's asking me to access this folder basically. I'm gonna say hello. As you can see, the AI is read a lot of file like a playful, redesign, the microstructure, the component cookbook. Then as you can see, typography, color, motion, copy, anti-pattern, a lot of things, right? Then finally, this is the to-dos plus is plan the redesign, then write the romly redesign dot css, etc. So we can just wait. All right, this is done. It take a 3 minute and 36 seconds. And you have to know that I'm using free AI model right now, which is DeepSeek version 4. So let's try to go to the Romly redesign here, right? This is the HTML file that now we can click this go live. Let's take a look at the result. Here we go. Look at that, guys. Just really cool. I love it. I love it. We have this yellow color as well on the 10-second call. On the button, we have this animation when I hover it. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Let's try to make sure the responsive is also working. Let me try to scroll down. Then as you can see, yes, this is also works. So definitely I'm going to install this skill globally on my system. This is absolutely works. So the next thing, I'm going to try to use this Hallmark study and then put the URL. So I'm going to put this URL here, linear.app, just to try, right? So let's go back here. I'm going to open my open code and paste that Hallmark study this URL, linear.app. So let's take a look what we get. As you can see now, it's using the Hallmark reference slash study.md, then using web fetch to fetch this URL. Cool. All right, this is done. So let's take a look what we get. I read this linear.app, the external CSS defining the actual color, blah, blah, blah. Then we have this source mode URL, the macro structure, blah, blah, the hero, navigation, footer, a lot of things, right? So now the question is, want me to build with this DNA or change one axis first? So basically, I'm going to use this DNA to build the application, and my application is this one in here. So I'm going to put my prompt, built with this DNA. Content, nightly, a sleep sound app for people with insomnia. Section, hero, how it works, 3-step, a grid sound category, rain, ocean, blah, blah, blah. The audience is people who struggle to fall asleep. Then the tone is soft, right? So I'm gonna copy that prompt, then running. So basically it should be create nightly.html and nightly.css file in this current folder. All right, this is done. As you can see, we have the nightly.html and nightly.css right now. Let's try to open the HTML. Then I'm going to open the go live in here. All right, as you can see, this is the result. We have the dark background, just like the linear website look like, as you can see. Right, it's similar, right? Then let me try to click how it works. Yeah, it's smooth, pretty nice. We have this thing right here, right? Pretty nice. Then the sound here, call, get nightly, App Store, Google Play. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Let me try to go back here, and as you can see, if I block this text, it should be have this color, and if I do that as well here, it should have this color as well, right? Nice. I love this skill basically. So I highly recommend you to install this skill for your next project. Thank you so much for watching. See you on another video.